All right, so for week 8, all right, I think it's working now. I'm having a internet lag issue. I hope it's working. So for your first body paragraph, that needs to be turned in by the end of Monday. We worked on it on class for those that were in class and not involved with prom practice on Monday. On Wednesday, first off, we're going to finish the Socratic seminar. I'm not really going to spend much time over it in the video. We've gone over it in past weeks. But then we are going to look at on Wednesday a few different strategies on the reading and the English ACT sections. And actually, as a class, we are going to go through a couple sections of either together to try and figure out some problems. I will try and record the best that I can on that for Zoom, but that's something that's just entirely for your benefit. It's not going on your grade. And that ACT test will be Tuesday, next Tuesday. The next thing we are going to do, at this point, students should have your introduction, counterclaim, body paragraph 1, and a start on your second body paragraph. What we are going to do in class, you'll have a little time to finish up your second body paragraph, and then we are going to, I don't have a copy here, go through the rubric for those body paragraphs, and you and your partner, whomever that may be, will be going through that checklist, that rubric, to decide what you did well, what you're missing, what can you do to improve, and is your writing overall, how is your essay? Where's it going? Is it clear what your argument is? So we'll be going over those things, and you'll be getting that feedback before you finish up your last body paragraph and turn it in on class next Monday. And then if we have time, we will start part 2 of Fahrenheit 451. I don't expect we'll get more than 10 pages into that. So I believe that'll put us on page 79 if we're lucky. So if you are absent that day, I would read that. So that's a crash course for what we are doing this week. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thanks, guys.